Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and I'm a postgraduate student at the University of Warwick. Welcome to my blog. So today I will be talking to you about this really cool app that I like. I learned it from my ICT and TESOL class and the app is called Screencast-O-Matic. Now, what is a Screencast-O-Matic? So it is basically a website that allows you to record a, a video of yourself using your webcam, just like what vloggers do. You can also record your screen and create like a screencast, or you can do both. So this is the website for Screencast-O-Matic. You can read and learn more about this website and how to use screencast. It's really easy to use, it's free, and I think almost anyone can edit and record their own videos. And what can you do with Screencast-O-Matic? Well, I think you can do a lot of stuff with Screencast-O-Matic. I mean, as a teacher or an educator, you could create a video and use it for online teaching, or you can create a tutorial video for your students. You can ask them to use Screencast to do a video presentation as well. It's really up to your creativity. Like for today, I'll show you a blog that I've written. So basically, I could talk about my blog and my readers, so my followers could read and also hear my voice talking about my blog. And if you are interested to learn more about how to use Screencast-O-Matic, I've written a post about the advantages, the limitation of using screencast, and please feel free to read my blog. Let me know what do you think about the use of screencast in online teaching. Do you love it or do you hate it? I'm just interested to hear what other people are doing with Screencast-O-Matic. So that's all the time that I have. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.